Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. This video is going to be a vlog, which I haven't vlogged in ages. I feel like whenever I vlog, always say that. Basically, over the next couple of days, myself and Chloe are going to Krakow. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. I'm sure it's Krakow though. It's in Poland. We booked this a couple months back. It was really spontaneous, and all of a sudden the time to go has came around. The excitement has only just hit me waking up really, because I've just kind of been putting it to the back of my mind for certain reasons, and now my excitement has kicked in for sure. So I've got my little suitcase here, bright green, yellowy, why not, and my little backpack, and I put my makeup on because I just thought it'd be easier when we get there. Plus I didn't look the greatest this morning because it is quite early. It's like 4 in the morning. I know it's bad for your skin on the airplanes. You don't need to tell me. This is a one-off, I promise. So yeah, I'm already running late, so I'm gonna go pick up Chloe now, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm having a coffee and Chloe, the alky, is having a Prosecco. It's like, welcome to my crib MTV style. Hey MTV, welcome.
Oh, look at the bathroom.
Let's see.
Hair dryer.
That's nice. It smells really nice too.
I've never got to fit the details. I'm kidding on.
That just won't do. We can't also have come out my cup of tea.
Cup of coffee in the morning, love. I've even got a speaker.
Oh, I meant to bring one. I want one of these in my house.
Like my hat on now.
Why?
I don't know. I look like you.
I look like a Oompa. I look well fat. At least I'm cozy. Actually got my name right. Yay! Who likes Chloe's new trousers? Top numero uno. Can you read this and see how much it was?
I'm looking one.
Oh yeah. Wait, I'll try and do this because you're naked. I can't read it. For $49.90, which works out at how much? Like, I don't know.
15.
15.
Coyote.
Okay, this is the second thing. It's like a jumper, and this was in the sale $19.90. I don't know how much that is, and this is actually a large. It does feel like a large. Oh, maybe not this exact. Like what? Yeah.
But it is nice. My coffee.
Oh, look at my bum from going to the gym. Shake the S for me. I like these. That was a good eye, Chloe. That was you that saw them. How much were these?
$49.90.
ready? Do jingle bells. And one back with the sleigh. These are brilliant. Happy birthday. Chloe, happy birthday.
Oh, I'll get 10 more than you.
Oh.
I'll get you ready in the morning.
Oh. It makes you look like you're a...
Look, I'm a baller with my $100 bill.
Jinx. Dalla dalla dalla. I knew you were gonna do that. Oh. When really this is like £50. I've been to Zara again. Wee. Got another jumper, which was only 60, which works out to be like £12. Then I got this one, which was like 19 zloty, which works out to £3.20. Okay, ready? Wait, I can't. Can I do it one-handed? Oh, that'll be so good. I can't do both, clearly. I can hardly. Wait, let me just get underneath it. This is gonna be a fail.
We need to get like what it is, but right.
Miss Raspberry Apple. Right, ready?
No, I can't open it like this.
Why?
I don't know. Right. Ready?
Okay, tell me when. Oh, shit! Oh my god. That doesn't look too bad. That looks alright. Oh god.
Here's a mess.
Just as well that was unfocused.
Being classy.
We're trashy.
But almost died.
Somehow Google Maps tried to
Kill us.
take us through that way, which obviously which obviously was not the right way and we nearly died. How'd you press it? Oh, oh, green man! My shoes actually need a good clean. Ah! Whoa, that feels so weird.
But see it.
I can't smile because it doesn't stick.
Why has it got a pink bit on it?
You need to peel it off the pink bit. My Polish beer. Is it Polish? Yeah. I don't know if you can drink and have the mask on at the same time.
I'll get a batch. Bet you I'll be able to do it.
I look like a zombie. Peace.